Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes. Legit.
When you look at me, what do you see? What do you see in my place? I've been awake for 9,274 days. Your plastic pictures tinted me.
Hey guys, so I just realized that I forgot to film an intro and an outro to this video, so I'm doing it now. Yeah, so welcome to my room tour. This video was pretty requested on my Instagram by a couple people, so I decided to film one. Duh. If y'all want to know where I got my things from and how much they were, then keep watching this video because I included all that in it. So, okay, so first, to start off, since we're already in this corner, I got this lamp from Walmart actually, and it was only $20. Literally, guys, only $20. So this lamp is definitely worth the buy. You guys should definitely get it. Since we're already talking about Walmart, let's go ahead and talk about these lights that I have hung up on my walls. So yeah, I got these lights from Walmart online. They didn't have them in stores, so I had to get them online. Let me let you guys in on a little secret. This whole entire string of lights came in one, so it's all attached. It's not like a separate chunk of lights here and then a separate chunk of lights here. It's literally all one long strand of lights, and I think these cost maybe like $20 as well. No more than $20, I don't think so, but don't quote me on it. But they definitely weren't too expensive. It was definitely something like that. Okay, and since I'm on the wall already, let's go ahead and take care of these hats. I stole them both from my sisters. Two different sisters I stole these hats from. So yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about my desk, y'all, because I already know that y'all are gonna wonder where I got this bullshit from. Okay, so this desk is actually from IKEA along with the chair. I think it was maybe like 50 to 60 bucks. I don't exactly know, but yeah, it was like 50 to 60 bucks. So yeah, y'all go ahead and cop y'all one. But okay, so starting off with these sunflowers, I also stole these from another sister of mine. I believe she got them from Dollar Tree. Actually, no, I don't believe. I know she got them from Dollar Tree for sure. This makeup box came from my roommate that I had last year when I dormed in college. So yeah, so she was getting rid of it and I was like, oh my god, that's so cute. I need it. It's cute. I want it. So yeah, that's where this came from. This mirror came from, oh shoot, sorry y'all. That's me without a shirt. This mirror came from Costco actually. This was 20 bucks for sure. I remember how much it cost. It's this cute little vanity mirror. You can turn on the light, whatever. It's super cute. Yeah. So yeah. And then this little crown right here came from my high school prom stuff. I didn't win prom queen, but I came close. So I got this dumbass little crown right there. So it's just a little souvenir for me going up, whatever. These are just my glasses. These ones came from Amazon actually, and then these ones came from my sister that she gave me. I have no idea where she got them from, but yeah. So over here is my mason jar, and I just have like makeup brushes and like a random pencil in here. So there's that. And then I have my AirPods and then a random chapstick that I stole from one of my friends. Actually, I didn't really steal it from him. He gave it to me, so I guess I didn't steal it, but still, anyways. And then here is my sister's gel kit that I stole from her. Yeah, all my shit in here is basically stolen, y'all, just to let you guys know. But yeah, I did my nails with them, if you couldn't tell, but it's so cute. It's super cute. And then this is just my Apple Watch, whatever. And then under here, you'll see my candle. Here, let me go under. So this is my candle that I got like 2 years ago while I dormed, or last year while I dormed. I bought this from Bath and Body Works. It's so good. It smells bomb as hell, y'all. Like, but I think it was only seasonal, so I got this during Christmas time. And I don't think they still have it, but you can try. Like, you can look up the flavor or the scent and then see if they still have it, because it smells like oatmeal. And then this underneath is just my, this underneath is just my old phone that I use sometimes for like editing old photos or just to look up old photos and stuff like that, or like videos and shit. And then this underneath is my book, y'all, that is so good that I hardly ever read though. Shoot. But yeah, and then here is just like a little lighter that I use for my candle, whatever, etc. Oh, y'all, I forgot to talk about my speaker real quick because I keep my speaker on the floor in this corner, typically, or by my bed. But yeah, this speaker came from my phone carrier store. Pretty simple. Yeah, it's super cool. Lights up, whatever. It's a really cool speaker. All right, now moving on to the next section of my room, which is the middle section is what I call it. So this is a stool, obviously, if you couldn't tell, but I'm pretty sure you can because you guys all have eyes. Okay, so this stool, it's kind of dirty because it's like over a year old and it's pink, so it gets dirty really fast. But I bought this from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's super cute. So yeah, it's just a cute little stool, whatever. Bed Bath & Beyond, y'all, for sure. This is my trash can. I bought this when I was shopping for my dorm about a year and a half ago as well. I believe I bought this one from Ross. This came from Ross, I think. No, it came from Ross for sure. I know it did. But yeah, this is just a little trash can. And then this, you guys, is my little furry rug. This also came from Ross. It's just a long rug. Oh my god, my little shoes, my house slippers. My house slippers came from Target. My sister randomly bought them for me. It was so funny, you guys, actually. Also, you guys, sorry if I sound like I'm out of breath. Like, it's so hot here in my room, especially because I turned off my fan so that I could make this video without it being loud. And I'm just hot as hell. Okay, so, we're on the wall, so might as well just talk about the wall before. And then I'll talk about my bedding. We're gonna talk about the wall, and then we're gonna talk about the bedding. So these things on my wall, it has nothing to do with where my room decor, it actually kind of does, yeah. I feel like it kind of makes my room look cute from afar. But anyway, so this is a hilarious picture that my best friend drew of me in like, I don't even know, 2 minutes, but it's just so funny. Like, she got it right down to like my piercings and everything. At the time I had 2 nose piercings, and I still have this piercing in my Monroe. But the hell, I don't know what she did with the eyebrows though. Like, these eyebrows are so bushy. But anyways, and yeah, whatever. And then the same friend, she came over to visit me, and she left me this cute little note after she left because she lives in Switzerland, and it's just so adorable because she's so sentimental, and it's just so cute, y'all. Like, anyways. But yeah, and then this over here is something that one of my other friends and I made together because during this quarantine, y'all, we needed some things to do. So we were like, you know what? Let's make a list of movies and shows to watch together. So we just came up with some funny stuff that we need to watch together. So yeah, clearly we're not doing so hot because we've only crossed off one thing, and that's all we watched together. No, I feel like we watched something else together. Oh, it's not on that. It's not on the list. That's why. Okay, so now moving on to my beautiful bed that I love so much. Yada, yada, yada. It's so pretty. I love it. Ugh, sorry guys, I'm really out of breath. It's hot as hell. But anyways, okay, so let's see. Let me just start off from like, dang. Okay, let me start off from my bed frame because I know some people that are moving out might want to know where I got my shit from. So let me just talk about literally everything. So my bed frame came from Amazon. It was like, I want to say like $150. The bed frame was like $150 from Amazon. And then since we're talking about Amazon already, let's talk about my mattress and the memory foam. You can't see it obviously, but my mattress underneath as well as my memory foam also came from Amazon. The mattress was like, I think $100, and the memory foam was like $70, something like, or no, like $60, something like that. So yeah, y'all. And then this is my pink bed sheet. The pink sheet came from Walmart. I don't remember exactly how much it was, but I know it was a little bit more expensive than normal sheets are because I don't even know. They said something like the fibers were made with something different or something like that. So yeah, y'all, the sheet came from Walmart. Okay, and then my pillows came from like all different places. So let me talk about the ones in the back first. This pillow came from my sister. I have no idea where she got it from. I stole it, or I didn't really steal it from her. She kind of gave it to me, but like I like to say that I stole better. But the shit in the back, I really actually did steal. But this one is hers. Like, she gave it to me, I mean. These 2 pillows in the back, the fur, both came from Ross, actually. Ross, you guys, little tip, is a really good place to go if you're looking for room decor for cheap. So for sure, you guys should definitely go there if you guys are planning on moving out soon. But yeah, so those 2 came from Ross. These pillowcases came with my sheet that I got from Walmart. And then these pillowcases came with my duvet cover for this blanket that I got that I'll talk about in a second. These cheetah print pillowcases that are super cute because they're silk and they're so soft came from Amazon. I don't remember how much they were, but they weren't that expensive. This pillow came from, dang, where did this pillow come from? This pillow came from Ross as well. This pillow came from Ross as well, for sure. This pillow came from my roommate, actually, when we were moving out of the dorms together. She didn't want it anymore, and I was like, oh my god, like she was about to throw it away. So I just like decided to get it because it was super cute and I had no idea where she wanted to throw it away. Okay, so let's talk about my blanket because I'm pretty sure that's where everyone is wondering where I got you from. Okay, you guys, real quick, my comforter is a little bit complicated. This print is not the comforter. The comforter is inside of this print. So basically, I have what's called a duvet cover. So this cover a duvet cover is basically like a pillowcase for a blanket or for a comforter. So my comforter on the inside, my comforter is zipped up inside of this duvet cover, and it's just plain white. I got it from like Marshalls or something for like $15. I don't even know, but it was cheap, but it's a really good comforter. And then this duvet, oh my gosh, I can't talk. This duvet cover came from Bed Bath & Beyond. It was like, I want to say it was like $50, something like that. It's literally just like a bed sheet that you, that opens up when you zip it, and then you stick your comforter inside. So yeah, this came from Bed Bath & Beyond, as well as the pillowcases, obviously, because it came with it. Here on my bed, we just have my tablet, whatever, my remote, my TV. Like, I'm always losing my remote. I'm always finding myself texting my friends that I've hung out within the past few days to see if they knew where I put my remote. Like, it's honestly like really, really real. Okay, so moving on to this blanket that's folded up on the floor. It's a micro plush blanket. If y'all don't know what a micro plush blanket is, it's basically a blanket that sticks to your body when you use it. So you can literally be naked underneath a micro plush in, like, I'd say the coldest, probably 40-50 degree weather, and it'll stick to your body and it'll keep you totally warm. Like, the fur is made from like different microfibers and stuff like that like, I don't know, like stick to you and make you warm. But this was about $60 from Target about like a year and a half ago, but I'm sure you could find it cheaper like anywhere else, to be honest, like Walmart or something. Here is just my backpack that I've had since high school. I think I got it from Ross, maybe. I really don't know at this point, but something like that. Right here, y'all, is my YouTube stand that I use, or not my YouTube stand, my tripod that I use for YouTube videos. So on the top of this, I have two cute little things. I don't even know what they're called, like poster boards, I guess? I don't know. But anyways, my sister actually made this one. And then this one says, let's travel the world, because I love to travel. So let's move on to my mirror. I'm not gonna get into the mirror because I don't have a shirt on. So yeah, there's that. I know y'all want to see my titties, but I'm sorry, not for this video. Okay, so this mirror came from Ross actually as well. This mirror, I want to say, I think costs like $40. Yeah, it definitely costs $40. Here I just have, oh my gosh, you can see me. You can see me. Oh my god, my titties. So this is my big ass TV, y'all. I can't even fit in the camera. There we go. These two little cute little things came from the thrift store. This picture says the dream is free, because, you know, you gotta have some motivational stuff on here. And then this one came from, or this one says the hustle is sold separately. This one also came from the thrift store. They were both like 15 cents each. So I said, hell yes. And then here, you guys, up here next to my door, these little flashcard things that I made that say I love you on it. I made these like, I don't even know, in like 2013. Yeah, I literally made these when I was 13, and I just had them in my room at my parents' house. And you best believe I brought it over here because I love it. It's adorable. It's so cute. But anyways, it's a daily reminder to love people. But anyway, so yeah, you guys, that basically concludes my room tour. Alright, you guys, that was the end of this video. I really hoped you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos, and definitely stay tuned to what I have in store, because I have some stuff in store. Bye, guys. Mwah.